and welcome back to another Monday Motivation Clean with me. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. Today I have for you lots of cleaning motivation, the things I usually do around our home day to day within my routine, as well as a look at some of the gorgeous new in Sainsbury's home decor. I'm also sharing with you another exciting home project that I'm starting, and I have a much needed self-care pamper as well. So give this video a big thumbs up if it gave you the motivation you needed to start your week off right. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. you guys another mini project that I'm going to be starting very soon. So this is in the hallway, and I don't know if I've shown this, I think maybe a couple of times in a previous video. The front door is on the right here, and then we have these hooks, but unfortunately 3 out of the 5 hooks have fallen off. We kind of did know that because the wall is, I think it's quite hollow, so nothing sticks in, and this was going to be one of my projects later on because I'm still concentrating on the dressing room at the moment. But I feel like now the hooks have fallen off, I kind of just want to get on and do this tiny bit here. So I have ordered some lovely wooden brackets, and then there's going to be a shelf above the hooks, and then I'm going to secure the hooks on to a piece of wood. I'll actually put up a mood board. I love doing mood boards when it comes to our home, just so we can really visualize how it's going to look, the color scheme and things like that. This hallway is something that we are going to be doing this year. However, I do need to finish the dressing room, and we are going to be starting on the media unit in the living room. But this for now is just going to be a mini side project. So the brackets are from Etsy. I'll put a link to them down below. They're really beautiful. And then I found a pine shelf in B&Q, and I'm going to be painting this wooden hook and shelf bit, and eventually we are going to be replacing the radiator to something a bit more, I want something a bit more Victorian. You'll be able to see it in the mood board, maybe something brass with a bit more character, especially because it's quite a feature as you enter into the house. But this will probably be the last thing we do, and also I would like to make this a little unit in itself and shiplap all this so it joins up with the shelf up there. Let me actually show you the hooks that I bought. I really recommend Etsy for hooks. So these are the hooks. They're a lovely brass hook with a gorgeous acorn design on them. Then the colour that we're most probably going to be going for just for this little bit is this one from Farrow & Ball. I think it's called Banshire number 298. It's a really nice olive green. We wanted it to match with our new footstool that we've got in the hallway. This is the one, it's from Sofa. We got it along with our new sofa and the chair. I think this colour looks like a pretty good match. I am going to swatch it before we go ahead and purchase it just to double check, but to me it does look really pretty. So let me know what you think, and I will keep you updated on this space.